Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a building in Google Maps. If a new building, office, store or apartments complex is missing from your Google Maps, you can help by adding it. Doing so improves visibility for visitors, deliveries, services, and even emergency responses. Now this is fast by following these few simple steps together. The first step is to open Google Maps and sign in. Now if you're using a mobile device, just open the application for Maps. You can find this if you haven't downloaded it yet via the Play Store or App Store depending on which mobile device you're using. Now if you're using your computer like me, just go to your web browser and then type in the search bar maps.google.com. Now once the website appears, make sure you sign in with your Google account. The second step is to find the location or drop a pin. Search for the approximate area where the building is located, then right click or long press on mobile and choose add a missing place. For example, this one right here. I'm just gonna select from this drop down menu add a missing place. And just like that, this menu will appear. Now the third step, fill in the building's details. You can add a name of the building, for example Sunset Towers, Tech Hub, offices, etc. You can also choose the category for the building. You can choose building, apartments complex, office, etc. by clicking on this. As you can see here, office, industrial, etc. residential. And you can also add options like addresses, phone, website or hours by clicking on the add more details option. And you can also add a picture. As for the fourth step, which is adding a picture, which is optional but helpful, you can include a photo of the building to make verification faster and more accurate. As for the fifth and final step, submit and wait for review. You can do this by clicking on submit and Google will verify the info, which usually takes a few days. By adding a building to Google Maps, you're contributing to a more complete, helpful and accessible maps for everyone, from customers and tenants to delivery drivers. It's a small step but has a big impact on local visibility. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.